Right then, this is the Deeptech Vista Sprite, and we are doing a coke test on a small hammered. Now, this is the smallest hammered I got to test it on. Just a little bit bigger on my finger. I know they come a lot smaller, but it's still smaller than a modern 1p piece. So I'm going to place it down there, take some soil away, scan the soil first, place this underneath, then we'll go check the coke button. And if it rings out anything other than a high tone, which it should do, then it means you might miss hammers like this in the ground if you're using the coke button. But I'm a firm believer, but that's going to still pick it out nice and clean. Let's give it a whirl. There, the settings we're using, as you can see, it's all ground balanced in. Disc is just to knock out nails, and sensitivity is up high. Got it at the same settings, and we're going to be pressing that button there, what is the coke button. Right, now this is with the coke button pressed in. See, still nice and crystal clean. If anything, there's maybe a slight degradation in signal, but to be honest, you're still going to do that all day long. Right, so with coke button depressed. Now the next one with it pressed. If I can pick this up and you'll see it. Right, without. With it pressed. Now Vista Sprite, Gary and Deeptech done a great job on this machine. Top stuff.